There is operation subtraction in algebra, means 5 minus 3 is 2. So similarly we have operation of difference of two sets, but it literally does not mean subtraction. Consider two sets, set A and B. I am having set A which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For simplicity we are taking numbers. And another set B which contains only member 4, 5, 6 and 7. We are going to discuss what about difference of two sets. Difference does not mean subtraction, but the symbol and notation we are going to use for the difference is same as subtraction. So read as difference of A and B. Don't read as A minus B. It is the difference of set A and B. So what type of members we will collect in this set? The definition says set of all members in A but not member in B. So we have to write, means हमको ऐसे एलिमेंट्स यहाँ पे कलेक्ट करने हैं जो A में होगा लेकिन B में नहीं होगा. A में होना चाहिए, B में नहीं. So one by one we will check. Can I take first member 1 here? Make sure it should not be in B. It is not there, so I can copy 1. Go to the next element 2. Whether 2 is in set B? नहीं है, so we can copy here. So 3 is not in B, so I can write 3. Can I take 4? No, because 4 is there in B and we are writing difference of A and B. Means member should be in A but not in B. So I cannot take 4. Can I take 5? No, 5 is there. So we have copied all the members from A but which are not in B. Then what about 7? Leave it, because 7 we are writing all the members from A which are not in B. So another way of writing this definition, that is A and B, difference of A and B, set of all elements X such that X is a member of A but means and X is not member of B. So in this way we can write difference of two sets. We will take one of the example. I have a set A which contains number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Another set B which contains element 2, 4, 6, 8. Can you write the difference of A and B? So make a list of difference, means set of all elements in A but not in B. So 1, I cannot take 2, so I'll take 3. I cannot take 4, I'll take 5. 5 is not here in B. I'll take 6. No, 6 is here. So 7. I cannot take 8. So 9 and 10. So this is the answer.